We're going to take a look at into eliminating possibilities. Now, I'm going to read you a parable. A story from the Old West tells the tale of two famous outlaws named Nelson and Carlson. The wanted poster call for the arrest indicated that a substantial reward would be offered to the person who caught up to both of them and brought them to trial. Amazing! It turns out that the poster contains a great cryptism. All who saw the poster realized this and spent their time solving the puzzle rather than looking for Nelson and Carlson. When Nelson and Carlson heard all the ruckus about the poster, they also tried to solve the problem. However, they weren't too bright and ended up visiting the local sheriff for the clue. He told them that n equals 5, and then he arrested them. They solved the problem during their time they spent in jail. Each of the letters in the criticism stands for a different digit. So we're going to find the digit for that the other letters represents. Each of the we are going to use the letters A, C, D, E, L, N, O, R, and R, S, and W to get the numbers from 0 to 9. We are given a clue that for the N, and that is the number 5. So if N is 5, then the problem will read 5 E L S O 5 plus C R C A R S O 5, which will equal reward. Since 5 plus 5 equals 10, so we're going to see that D is a 0. Then we are given the letters A, C, E, L, O, R, S, and W. So the problem for each number is N equals 5, D equals 0, R can be 6, 7, or 8, and 9. C can be equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4. And O to O, S, A, L, W, and E can all equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So we're going to step 2. We're going to solve the letter O. Like we saw in the last slide, O could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And in solving the two R's is the equal, they have the same, to be the same numbers, equal to the same numbers. So O plus O has to equal to get the number for R. We could try number 7 plus 7. That will give us an answer of 14. But that can't be the only number to use. So how about using 8 plus 8 equals 16? And if we add the 1 to the S column, now we can work with the letter S. S can stand for 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 9. So we can see in step 3 that we can see that the S can equal S is 4. So if we see in step 3 5 E L 4 8 5 plus 7 plus C 9 7 4 8 5 will equal 7 E W 970. So if we updated the number of possibilities, N could be 5, N 5, D is 0, R be 7, C will be 1, O is 8, S is 4, and A is 9. And we have 3 letters left to solve, and they are L, W, and E, which can be have the numbers 2, 3, and 6. Now we find that number for L and W. We are going to try to the number 6 for L, so that'd be 5E6485 plus 197,000. That'll be what? That'll be 197,485 equals 7E3970. So L equals 6 and W is 3. Adding 1 above the last column as the number 9 was in the second to the last column, and E plus 9 equals E. Only way to get E plus 9 to equal E is to include a 1 above the last column. So now that we only have one more letter, and that is E, and we only have one number, and that is 2, so E equals 2. So we come up with the answer for the problem is 500,026 526,485 plus 197,485 equals 7,008 or 7,200 or no 723,970. So we use all the letters in and numbers. So like D was 0, C was 1, E is 2, W is 3, S is 4, N is 5, L is 6, R is 7, O is 8, and A is 9.